Hello dear students, today we are going to learn combinational MOS logic circuit. Definition of combinational logic circuit means the logic circuit output depends only present input. This is a generic combinational logic block. Now in this block we see that this is a combinational logic block and now these are the inputs, this is the output. Now from this we say that the output is depends only the present input. Now the example of combinational logic circuits are NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR, XNOR, adder, subtractor, multiplexer, decoder, demultiplexer, etc. So this is the basic understanding of the combinational logic circuits. Means the output depends only present input. This is the basic fundamental of combinational MOS logic circuit. Now design principle of MOS logic circuit. This is a simple block or simplified block of MOS logic circuit. Now in any MOS logic circuit, two things. One is a load transistor and another is a driver transistor. Load transistor is known as a pull-up network and driver transistor is known as a pull-down network. Now for making the MOS logic circuit, this is the basic principles. Now first one, if we make a OR gate, that means OR operation is performed by parallel connected driver and operation is performed by series connected driver transistors, and the NOT operation is provided by nature of MOS circuit operation. That means the load transistor is given load transistors. Now types of MOS logic circuit. There are two types of MOS logic circuit. First one, MOS logic circuit with a depletion and MOS load. Second, MOS logic circuit with a CMOS logic. Now, today in this session, we have learned two different circuits. MOS logic circuit with a depletion and MOS load. Now, the first circuit, two input NOR gate with a depletion and MOS load. Now, everyone know the NOR gate. NOR gate is a combination of two gates OR and NOT. That means for making the NOR gate we require OR and NOT operation. That means OR operations is provided by parallel connected driver transistors and NOT operation is provided by the nature of load. So this is a complete circuit diagram for the two input NOR gate with a depletion and MOS load. Now everyone know the conclusion of NOR gate. Conclusion of NOR gate says that if any input is high, then the output is low, and both the inputs are low, then the output is high. This is the algebra equations for NOR gate. V out is equal to A plus B whole bar. Now operations. Now calculation of VOH. VOH means high output voltage. When we get a high output voltage, so if both the inputs are low, then we get the high output. So we understand how it is possible. So if both the inputs are low, then both the transistor goes to cutoff region and it works as an open switch. So V out is disconnected to ground and V out is directly connected to VDD. Now during in this case ID load current is equal to 0, and this is the formula for calculating the ID current, and so that finally VOH means high output voltage is equal to VDD. So for if both the inputs are low, then we get the output is equal to high. And now second one, the calculation of VOL, low output voltage. When we get a low output voltage, if any input is high, then we get the low output voltage. How it works? So now if any input is high, then that respective transistor is on and it works as a closed switch, and V out is connected to the ground, and so finally VOL is equal to 0 0. So this is the basic understanding for the two input NOR gate with a depletion and MOS load. Now we go for the next circuit. Two input NAND gate with a depletion and MOS load. Everyone know the NAND gate. NAND gate is a combination of AND and NOT. For making the NAND gate, we require AND operation and NOT operation. So AND operation is provided by series connected driver transistors, and NOT operation is provided by the nature of MOS logic operations. So this is a complete circuit diagram for the NAND gate. Now the conclusion of NAND gate, if any input is equal to low, then the output is high, and this is both the inputs are high, then the output is low. So this is a truth table of NAND gate. Now this is the algebra equation. V out is equal to A into V whole bar. Now we go for the operations. Now calculation of VOL means low output voltage. Low output voltage. When we get the low output voltage, if both the inputs are high, then we get the output with low output voltage. If A is equal to high, B is equal to high, then both the transistors are goes into linear region and works as a closed switch. So output is directly connected with the ground, and during that time ID current, ID driver current, and ID during that time ID load, ID driver A current and ID driver B current all are same, and during that period this is a formula for calculating VOL, but the VOL is equal to 0. Now the calculation of VOH, high output voltage. When we get the high output voltage, if any input is low, then the respective transistor is off, and V out is disconnected with the ground and V out is directly connected to VDD. So VOH is equal to VDD. Thank you. Today we learn two different circuit, two input NOR and two input NAND with the depletion and MOS load. Thank you. Thank you very much.